So today I'm going to show you how to make an appointment through Handshake. First of all, go to biola.joinhandshake.com/login. Once you're on that page, you can click on the Biola Student and Alumni login, and that will take you to a place to put in your net ID. Once you go to Career Center, you can choose Appointments, and there you'll press Schedule a New Appointment. You have two options, Academic Advising and Career Advising. So first, at Academic Advising, you could choose between Study Abroad, Grade Concerns, General Advising, or Graduation Petition. For this example, I'll use General Advising for Journalism, which is what you would choose if you were going to meet with a peer academic advisor prior to registration. So for example, this shows all the availability of the peer academic advisor. Note that you can only register for an appointment at least 2 days in advance. So if you're looking for an appointment for tomorrow, even if they have availability, it won't show online. The other thing you can do, another type of appointment you can sign up for, is for career advising. So that can be different things, a cover letter, resume review, full-time job search, or different options that can help you prepare for internships and jobs. If you have any further questions, you can come into Sutherland Hall and speak to someone at our front desk. Thank you and have a great day.